Hello guys, welcome back to Virtual Tips, and in this video we're gonna talk about how to fix Minecraft exit code 1 or game is getting crashed and how we can completely fix this up. So let's dive into the workarounds without any wasting time. So the first one is all about you just have to follow the instruction, you just have to go over here. So this error can happen because of many reasons like corrupted files and all those things. So I'll just go over here and I'll search for Xbox game bar. That is the first thing which you have to search, Xbox game bar. Then just navigate to app setting. From here we just have to go over here. We just wait for a couple of minutes. Now from here, as you can see, we are on the Xbox game bar. Just scroll down and there are two options: reset. Under reset there is an option called repair and reset. First one, just go for repair and you have to wait and you have to see. And if after trying go for a repair, if it's still working or you're having the trouble, then just go for reset also additional with this. So once you just go for reset, all these things you have to see whether you are able to fix the issue or not. So this is the first most basic step which you have to try out. After trying that, it's still not working with you guys and you're still having the trouble, then we just have to talk about the next one. Next one is all about you have to disable game services, right? So disabling game services, just have to go over here and you have to search for services. Okay, just have to go for services and open this one. Now from here you just have to go for first one, Xbox accessory management services. Just have to right click, and as you can see this has been set into automatic. Some case this will be disabled, so you just have to change this to automatic. Make sure this is on automatic, go for apply and go for OK. Simultaneously you just have to go for this one also, that is called Xbox live management services. So you just have to scroll down and you have to navigate to Xbox live management services. As you can see, you just have to go over accessory management. You're live with this one and go for Xbox live save. As you can see, it's on manual. Change this to automatic, go for apply and go for OK. So simultaneously you just have to do all these things and you have to see whether you are able to fix. In some cases, I'm not saying 100%, but in some cases these steps also will be helping guys out. Even after trying this, if it's still not working, the next is all about we have to solve the issue with the Java, right? So we have to solve the issue with the Java. So what you have to do is, so next is all about you have to solve the issue with the Java. As you can see, I have already downloaded the Java over here. If you go for apps, you will be able to find. So if you go to control panel on apps, you will be able to find that I have already installed the Java, and as you can see I have to uninstall it, right? So what I have to do is I just have to uninstall it, because sometimes what happens is because of this particular Java installed on your PC will be corrupted, so you will be having the trouble. So you just have to uninstall the Java. Once after uninstalling the Java, I'll be giving a link in the description which will take you this one where I have downloaded it, that is called patchmypc.exe. Just have to open this one, go for run. So what happens is there are some set of procedures which you have to do in between. So you'll be getting an option like this. So you just have to make sure appropriate things and you just have to do this up. So what happens is if the Java is being corrupted, this will be fixing the issue up and you will be able to go for it, and you have to check. Sometimes by this has to be fixed. Even after trying this, if it's still not working, we just have to talk about the next one, that is all about you have to run few commands in the description. So here, to run the few commands in the description, just have to go over here, search for cmd or command prompt, click on run as administrator. Now we have to give few commands, and all these commands will be given in the description, so you don't have to worry. So I'll type one by one. The first one is sfc space / scan now. Okay, now I have to press enter. So once it is done, I just have to go for next one. Next one is all about I have to go for dism space online. Sorry, I'll get this online space / clean up image. Okay, so I'll give this in the command so you don't have to worry. Check health, I have to go for check health and I have to press enter. Now I just have to go for simultaneously I have to go for the following command, that is I have to I have to give the command, like I just have to copy this if it's not possible. So I have to give once again dsm, and I have to type space online, space clean up image, and I just have to scan health. Okay, I have to type this, press enter, followed by I have to give one more, that is the same, and simultaneously I have to give one more, that is dsm online. So it's going to take a little bit of time, so just wait for it. So we have 3 commands, and you don't have to worry, all these commands will be in the description, so there is nothing to worry. So I'll be giving these commands in the description, so you don't have to worry on that. Okay, so now what happens is, once this particular process has been successfully completed to 100, you just have to go for next one. So next one is all about, you have to go for dsm online clean up image, dsm slash online space slash cleanup image space slash restore health. You have to do this, and once it is all done, you just have to close your cmd, just restart your pc and try to play, and most probably this will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video.